today's news. Endangered Himalayan vulture breed in captivity for the first time in India. So this comes under GS3 biodiversity and environment. See, all you need to know is that recently researchers have recorded that the first instance of captive breed of Himalayan vultures. Himalayan vulture also said to be Gibbs himalayensis, that is at the Assam State Zoo, Guwahati. And this species, any species that comes in the news means what you can expect in prelims is actually its category in IUCN. So accordingly, this was categorized as a near threatened on IUCN red list, and the Himalayan vulture is a common winter migrant to the Indian plains. Okay, so about prelims, you need to study the basics about this species. Its common name is Himalayan vulture, and scientific name is Gibbs himalayensis. And this, remember, this is an old world vulture in the family Accipitridae. It is one of the two largest old world vultures and true raptors. So this species is actually found spread along the Himalayas, and also not only restricted to Himalayas, also in Tibetan plateau. The IUCN status is near threatened species. So the Himalayan vultures are also susceptible to toxicity that is induced by diclofenac, a drug whose residues in domestic animal carcasses. But their population has, however, not shown signs of rapid decline. Okay. In 2012, already the question have been asked about the vultures. So the vultures which were used to be very common in Indian countryside some years ago are rarely seen. The reason they asked, the question is about how it is getting threatened, and it is the drug used by the cattle owners, that is a diclofenac. So next, over 9 lakh trees likely to be axed for Great Nicobar project. So this comes under GS3 development. So the center's ambitious 72,000 crore Great Nicobar project, it's actually enabling an international airport, solar based power plant, and the township, etc. So about Great Nicobar project, which is a mega project to be implemented at the southern end of the Andaman and Nicobar Island, and it includes a greenfield. Greenfield means a freshly newly creating project, a township development, and a transshipment terminal, and etc. So about Great Nicobar, which is the southernmost island of the Nicobar Island archipelago, and it is it covers unique tropical evergreen forest ecosystem in India, and it is home to very rich ecosystem including angiosperms, ferns, gymnosperm, bryophytes. So the pairs of island is separated from, the question have been asked in 2014, which one of the following pairs of island is separate from each other by the 10-degree channel, that is Andaman and Nicobar. Dengue surge in Tripura continues, and more than 150 cases are there. This comes under GS3 health. Tripura government has deployed medical teams in all border land ports as the state sees the case of rising dengue fever, and state health department confirmed detection of these dengue cases in Danpur of Sipalchia district. So for prelims, dengue is the mosquito-borne tropical disease that is caused by a dengue virus transmitted by several species of female mosquito called Aedes aegypti. And the mosquito also transmits chikungunya, yellow fever, and Zika infection. Sudden high fever, severe headache, pain behind the eyes, joint and muscle pain are the symptoms. And there is a diagnosis is there, and that diagnosis is done with the blood test. There is no specific medicine to treat dengue infection. So in 2013, the UPSC have been asked like which of the following disease can be transmitted from one person to another through tattooing. So that is hepatitis B and HIV/AIDS. Thank you. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact this number. Have a great day.